This session is all about the awareness about the unknown scholarships, whereas the global scholarship team is working really hard to give more number of benefits to the students and parents as well as institutions. So I request all of you to stay tuned. I request all of you to ask more number of questions in the chat so that I would be happy to answer your queries. ಕನ್ನಡನಾಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಯಲ್ಲೂರ್. I'm using English because more number of participants are from varied locations. So I'll communicate in Kannada, English, Hindi, all mixture together, okay? So that it will help everyone. We are going to start the session very, very soon. Mr. Siddharth, you have a query like, will this be helpful for UG students? Yes, Mr. Siddharth, this is beneficial. This global scholarship platform is beneficial from KG to PhD students. Okay, that is what the platform has been designed for. And I want all the participants to share the link to your friends so that more number of students can get benefits about this piece of information or this webinar. What is this scholarship is all about? The Mr. Adarsh, please attend the session so you will have clear picture. If I tell you in between, like maybe most of the students may lose the piece of information. Please give the details. Chatter Singh. Please give the details, basic details about the number of the scholarship from the class 1 to PhD. This is a very good, unique initiative to speak about the awareness about the scholarship. Yeah, that's what we as a global scholarship team we are trying to do. Uh, Sneha is it available? The students of Maharashtra who study in Karnataka. Yeah, that is, we basically call them as a migrants. The scholarships are available for migrants as well. I'll just start the session in few minutes. I'm just waiting more number of participants to come. ಕನ್ನಡನಿಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಸೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡನಿಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ma'am, is it available for law students? For any degree, any course, the scholarships are available. That is the reason the platform has been designed in such a way. Ma'am, is there any scholarship for part-time PhD scholars? Yes, definitely. There is a good count going on. So, I would like to start the session. A wonderful evening to everyone. Myself, Veena Deshpande, the Managing Director of Tribits Technologies Private Limited. The thing is, the word scholarship, I would like to define first. The scholarship itself is a grant or the charity which is being given to students from the varied resources to help the students for the education. Okay. What our survey is going on since 2.5 years. So it says that might be a student, a parent, or the institution even we am talking about. They are aware of only 3 to 5 scholarship in the entire academic, that is 365 days. They think that the scholarships are totally in count 3 to 5, and most of them are provided from the government only, and they are reserved for specific category, minorities, SC/ST, and some Vidyasiri or Vidyasathi, something like that. This is the problem actually what we have seen in the entire survey. Not only the students, its parents actually, pain point is for them. That is, parents are the one who are bearing this heavy fee structure of the students, whereas we cannot blame any of the institutions that they are, their fee structure is high, whereas every institution is trying hard to give a very good quality education where the fee structure has to be high. So, how the global scholarship team is working? What is the importance of this global scholarship team? How they are working? What are the different types of scholarships? So this will be my entire session. I'll have a conversation of mixture of Kannada, English, Hindi, so that there are more Kannadigas are there. There might be some people who can understand only Hindi. So English I'm using so that it's understanding language for everyone. So the global scholarship team is working to define to clear some myths, to give some more benefits about the scholarships. The first thing is the variety of the scholarships, I'll tell you. One is government, as everyone knows. Government is the one source which is providing the scholarships. Then there are private companies are there. We basically call that as a CSR funds. Okay, there are a lot of companies. In fact, every company is making sure that 2% of its profit is being given for a social cause, and 99% of the companies are making sure that it is being given in terms of cash or a gadget or any of the other facilities which is going to help students for their education purpose. And the third thing is, there are a lot of NGOs who are raising crowdfunding, for the better education of the students. Then comes community wise too. People are raising funds. Every community wants their community literacy rate should increase. So that's the reason every community, that might be Hindu, that might be Muslim, that might be Christian, that might be Sikh, that might be Lingayat, that might be any caste if you take, every community is making sure that they are having a crowdfunding or the individual contributions so that their community literacy should grow. Then comes, I'm done with government, private, NGOs, community wise, and individuals are the one who's coming forward, to contribute and coming forward to fund individually, so that somehow they can help one or the other student. Then second question arises, scholarship is for whom? Scholarship, everyone believes, the myth is scholarship, they believe that scholarship is only for the poor student or the minority students or the SC/ST students, or there are some low income based scholarship, whereas scholarships are for everyone. Scholarships are there for you know there are, so far we have 86 categories of the scholarships. For example, I'll take academic, as everyone knows, sports, then cultural activities, like you can extracurricular activities like singing, dancing. All these are the more number of categories. For them also scholarships are available. Then comes the hostelites. For hostelites, scholarships are available, and scholarships are available for the migrants. As someone has asked me a couple of minutes ago, as the student is from Maharashtra and she or he is studying in Karnataka, whether the scholarships are available for them. For migrants also, we have a scholarship. There are some companies which are dedicatedly providing scholarship only for girls. That is, for example, Glow and Lovely is the one which is providing scholarship only to the girls. So like that, in fact, our research states, I mean, trans centers also have a dedicated scholarships. These piece of information the global scholarship team is gathering. We have a huge research team who are onboarding the list of scholarships, and we are making sure that it should reach the right people. Then one more myth, like everyone thinks that only one scholarship can be availed from the government. No, there are minimum two scholarships you can avail from the government itself. One is from state government, another is from central government. So this is the one more biggest myth. Then, for whom all the scholarship is available, for which caste it is available? Scholarship is available for all the castes. As I mentioned, like every community is putting efforts to raise the funds so that it will be beneficial to the respective community people. Whereas it's not like that. The one community is helping only their communities. It's not helping the other community students. No, they're finding the needy one and they're making sure that the scholarship is being met. Then another question arises: is there any? Someone has asked me, like, is there any scholarship for the different migrants? As I told you, the scholarships are available all over the India, all over the world. Like national and international scholarships are available. And the myth is like scholarship. People think that the scholarships are available only for the no, the one who's with a low income. No, 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 it is not that. The scholarships are available for the higher studies. If you would like to go for, if any engineering student or any graduate who would like to continue, his or her masters in abroad, then obviously you require a lot of funds. So the one who's a top scorer also needs a fund, to go there. So they can apply scholarship. And there are some scholarships in such a way, like if you would like to take in a specific university, okay. For example, currently we are providing scholarship alerts to the one student who's studying in Sweden. No, he's studying his MS, and he is getting benefits from our portal. So, what the global scholarship team is doing now? The question arises. It is like as soon as ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಎಲ್ಲು ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಈಗ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರಿಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆ ಚಾರಿಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೀ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅವರು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಗ್ಯಾಜೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗ್ಯಾಜೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಐಪ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ there are some online courses ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ವೇರಿ ಟೈಪ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, I'll come back to like how the global scholarship team is working. Once you are being the registered user of the global scholarship team, then we ask you to update your profile on a portal. It's very simple. Like it will be having your basic information like your name, first name, last name, your religion, your previous percentage, and your your qualification, your parents' income, your extracurricular activities. As I mentioned, scholarships are available for any cultural activities, dance, singing, sports, and extra talents you have. Any, like, for everything scholarships are available. The thing is, like, you need to update in your profile, and once they are done with the profile updation, as the global scholarship team, what we are doing is we are making sure that as I've earlier mentioned, like student, parent, or institution, they are aware about only 3 to 5 scholarships in the entire year, that too for a specific category of people. Whereas as a global scholarship, what we are doing is, the one who's registered on a portal, we are making sure that we are sending them the alerts not less than 50 in the entire year. Got it? Not less than 50 in the entire year. Apart from that, what we are doing, like once you guys are registered on a portal, then we are making sure that we are sending you alerts which are matching up with your profile. Then we are making sure, like we are going to give you a support. Within 48 hours of your registration, you will get a call from our portal, like that is to guide or take you a tour on our portal, like how it works, For example, how to update your profile, then how you where you need to fetch your scholarship alerts, then how you need to apply for the scholarship for the entire process, and how you can benefit about it. So there is the entire process will be sent in their respective WhatsApp groups, and here in the uh, here in the link also, YouTube channel also. So the thing is like this, the global scholarship team is helping you out, guys, to get benefits more number of your scholarships which you can buy. There are few more things like I would like to explain, like who all can apply scholarships and what database we have with us. We have from KG to PhD, the scholarships are available. We have a database of near about 1800 plus scholarship links are available with us. As I have already mentioned, like if you guys are getting registered on a portal, we are making sure that we are notifying you no, to your mobile phones and email, and on your dashboard, like the respective matched up link will be sent to you after your registration. And how it is going to match up is, for example, I'm a girl and I'm studying, take an example of I'm studying any UG course. Okay, if I'm applying, no, if I'm registering myself on the global scholarship platform, then I'll be specifying my first name, last name, my religion, then my parent income, whether my father is a government employee or not. These are also again one more myth, like people think that if my father is a government employee, I may not get the scholarship. No, that's also biggest myth. You will get scholarship for everything. Okay, for everyone scholarships are available. The problem is like we don't have uh, the problem is like people are unaware about the scholarships are applicable to whom. That is the reason the scholarships are no, whereas government is releasing a lot of crores together fund, whereas it has been not reached to students on time. That is the reason like they are unable to apply, and they don't know the start date of the scholarship, they don't know the end date of the scholarship, they don't know to whom it is applicable, they don't know how to apply it. So to fill up all these gaps, the scholarship, the global scholarship team is being introduced. And if it is like if you have been registered on a portal, like from it is applicable for next 365 days. Okay, that is like for 1 year, it's a subscription based model, so it is applicable. Kannada ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ. Once I finish this, I'll come back in Kannada also. So the more number of scholarship you apply, the more number of benefits you can get. um, AS, someone is asking like, ma'am, how they believe us for X qualifications income degree? I didn't get this question. I'll take up the questions later, but I want to finish this first. Okay. As I've mentioned, like scholarships are there from government, private. There are private companies like Jindal, Wipro, Infosys, Fair and Lovely. Every, as I mentioned, that it's called as a CSR fund. Okay, they are making sure that every one is contributing themselves for the better society. Literacy rate should be increased. For that sake, like everyone is making sure that they are providing their contribution. But the problem is like the scholarship provider and the receiver. Receiver is the one that is student. The scholarship provider, I have mentioned you, like there are many resources. The resources are not getting the one who is in need of the scholarship, or else the students or a parent who is looking for the scholarship of their kid, and if it's parent like who are looking for the scholarship for their kid, they are not getting a proper piece of information. There are some vague things like people are believing scholarships are available for only minimal type of people or a category of people. So because of this reason, the scholarship amount is been not reached to the respective candidate or the needy one. This platform helps like students, if they're registered once, it will reach you on your mobile phone, the notification will be given, and if you're finding any difficulty, you can call on our respective support numbers are there, they'll guide you how to apply for the scholarship and how to get benefits. It's a very simple process. Once you're registered, you'll be having a piece of information. The major problem what students are facing is like they don't know the name of the scholarship which are applicable to them, they don't know the proper source link of the scholarship, then they don't know the start date of the scholarship, end date of the scholarship, what is the benefit of the scholarship, then to whom it is applicable, and what all the respective documents are required. So the global scholarship providing a one stop solution for all these problems. So if you guys have any questions, like you can ask over here. So I'll be taking up the question as a session. I'll try to take up uh, the questions from the beginning, like scholarship. I'll repeat the same thing in Kannada also while taking up the questions. The global scholarship team ಏನದಲ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾರಿಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಅದ, ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಅದ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದ 1 year ತನ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 365 days 365 ದಿನ ತನೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಂಗದಂದ್ರೆ 1800 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅವ ದಟ್ ಅದು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಅದಂದ್ರೆ KG ಅಂದ್ರೆ LKG ಓದೋ ಹುಡುಗನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಓದೋ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಥವಾ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು PhD ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್? ಸ್ವರೂಪ್, ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. We are giving you your on-time alerts. We are giving you support. The entire team is big team is working to make sure that the respective scholarship alert, as I've told you, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು 3-5 ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ 3 to 5 ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ your mobile phone, which are going to match up your profile. That is what the USP of this the global scholarship team. Ma'am, how they believe us for X qualification income degree? AS Janapada songs. I don't know whether it's male or female, but I would like to address as a sir or madam. How it is like, obviously, there are some scholarships which are definitely ask you proofs about your previous, marks percentage and all those things. The duration of the scholarship, alert is something like this. As if you the application opens, then the application is open for usually 30 days to 45 days. Then once the last date of the application has been stopped, then after that the verification will be done, and after that the fund will be released. So it's on an average 3 months process that you can get the benefits for your relevant scholarship which you have applied for. Whereas during that gap itself, they'll have all cross verification. If they have asked your documents over there, then definitely based on your verification about all your documents, your income, your qualification, then only the funds will be released. Extreme Gamer has asked a question, registration cost. I think we have posted the registration link. It's 499 per year. Ma'am, BSc course navargu sigutta scholarship? Yes. Now currently, ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್, ಅಲರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ UG ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ITI ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ, MTech, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ CBSE ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ, ಆಮೇಲೆ PUC ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ out of the country few students are studying MS. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ. Then there are I'll tell you, okay, the one who is practicing chartered accountant, so for them also we are providing the alerts. So ma'am, please tell me how I knew about scholarship. New num portal mail, because like you can register on a portal, so there you can get all piece of information. Ma'am, please tell us to know how many scholarships for part-time PhD scholarship. Give me some names. Names I cannot disclose here. Please, you can ask it in a WhatsApp. I can disclose it over there. There are any numbers, sir. 1800 database. I cannot remember. Try and understand. Some students will apply for scholarship, but they did not get the scholarship. Why? Preeti, the reason is like, as someone has earlier asked a question. Wait a minute. Uh, AS Janapada songs. He has told like, how they'll verify our qualification, degree, percentage, then income, and all those things. So when you apply for the scholarship, the one thing is you might have applied for the irrelevant scholarship, that is, which is not at all matching up your profile. Okay, so at that time what happens, definitely that pretty like that scholarship is not applicable for you. For example, I'll take an example like, there is a scholarship called as like the one whose parent has worked in Indian army. For their kids the scholarship is available, and if you're applying for that scholarship and if your parent is not into defense or army, then obviously you cannot avail that scholarship. So these are the lot of criterias are there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ applicable ಆಗಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So you are applying for the irrelevant scholarship which are not going to match up your profile at all. So that time definitely there are chances you may not get. And there are some other scholarships like, for example, um, they think that the scholarship, time duration will be there, and like for example, first 100 applicants will get the scholarship. So for a, scholarships are, when the application process has been started, that time first 100 application who have applied, they will get the scholarship. If you have been the 101th or 102th applicant, then obviously you cannot get. So there are scholarships like, on the other day we have sent scholarship for, the one who's good at drawing and essay. There was a scholarship for the blind students, for orphan, for the single parent, for the single girl child. The scholarships are available for everyone. The problem is people are not aware about it. The next question I would like to take is, ma'am, right now I am pursuing MTech. Right now, along with monthly stipend from the MHRD, so am I eligible for the other scholarship through your portal? Definitely. You have asked the right question, Mr. Regal Patel. This is what problem is, what the global scholarship team is solving all about. People think that they can apply only for one scholarship. No, that is the biggest myth. And scholarships are available from various resources. Why can't you apply to the older resources? What's wrong if you're getting from the multiple sources? That is beneficial for your academics, then that might be helpful for your exam fees, that might be helpful for your hostel fees. So you can get the benefit about it. It's nothing wrong, and you can get, no, through our portal. Obviously if you are a registered user, definitely you will get 3 to 5 scholarship alerts, and every month. Whereas as an individual or a parent or institution, everyone is aware about only 3 to 5 scholarships in the entire year. But as a platform, we are making sure that we are forwarding you, no, more than 50 leaks in the entire year. If you apply more, you can get more number of, obviously. uh, Shilpa Mali, 12 PUC available on your scholarship? Yes, definitely. Scholarships are available for everyone, as I have told you. First PUC student, 10th student, no, first standard student, UG, PG, PhD, for everyone the scholarships are available. The registration link is already given over there. So please, you can register and get more number of benefits. And the contact numbers are also given. You can call and clarify more number of doubts if you require. Guys, any questions are there, you can ask. I'm taking up questions like Rakesh Meena. Tell me about the internship scholarship in renewable energy source. As I've already mentioned, the scholarships are there for everyone. We have a database of 1800 plus with us, so I cannot remember all the names. Try and understand. You can visit our site for the brief. You know introduction, so that you can have more number of clarification. How many rupees in a district college scholarship you have received during your MSc? Any other questions, please ask, and I'll be sharing you the link of registration, and I'll be sharing you the link of registration process. It's very simple. Like you need to go to the login page, and registration page, and there you need to you can pay through Phone Pay or Google Pay or credit card, debit card, or any internet banking, anything. So paying 499 can get a benefit about 1 year service. Sneha has I have answered her question. What this scholarship is all about, I have answered this. Siddharth has asked, will it be helpful for UG students? Yes, definitely it is helpful for UG students. Any other questions, guys? Quickly, I want to answer your questions. Prashant Patil has asked, scholarship is also available for open category. Yes, scholarships are available for them also. Uh, Rishik Agarwal, I want to know about the scholarship for 12th pass. Uh, College appearing general students. Yes, the scholarships are available for all caste. As I've already told, like scholarships are available for general category. For every community, the scholarships are available from government also. Private companies, no doubt, like they are providing, but from government also, for general merit students also, the scholarships are available. The problem is students are not aware about these things, and the global scholarship team is doing that itself. Ma'am, register cost did pay now or fifth day ago? I didn't get this question. PhD scholarship in India or other than GRF? Yes, there are multiple scholarships are available for PhD holders other than GRF. Any other questions, guys? I'm happy to answer your questions. Please. Um, Randomly we get questions whenever we are doing webinars. So usually it is something like that. Students will ask like, I belong to Hindu. Like, can I get the scholarships or not? Yes, for them scholarships are available. In fact, recently through our portal, like one Brahmin student got the scholarship based on his academic, and there was scholarship. His parent is a farmer. His father is a farmer. So based on that, he has received the scholarship. Our last quarter report says that like we have sent near about 33 lakhs worth scholarship alerts to the students. The least bagged individual student I'm talking about, the least bagged amount was 7,500 per year, and the highest was 63,000 rupees per year. Next question I would like to take. How about the scholarship for the online education master in USA universities studying from India? Yes, for them also, Mr. Joseph, like the scholarships are available for them also. Uh, for more information about it, you can call on to the respective numbers. Where would you get the scholarship alerts? That is our research team is doing, Miss Renu. So that's what we have a dedicated team for that who are doing everyday research. They are finding out the things, and you will get scholarship alerts on your mobile phone and dashboard where you are registered. Okay. When government declined that management studies are not getting scholarship, why so? uh, but there are private companies are there who are releasing huge funds, so you can get benefits from them if you are a management studying student. So that is what we are doing as a. So as I've already told, like our alerts will be to you guys through SMS, through email, through in your dashboard, and through WhatsApp. So there are varied sources where we're making sure that we are sending you your matched up scholarship alerts on your mobile phone. Have any scholarship for 12 past students who's preparing for? Yes, for aspirants, as I've told you, like NEET, IIT, like for many, if you are updating this piece of information in your profile, it is absolutely a AI based platform based on which it is going to work out. So if the reason like why we are asking you to update your profile once you register, this is the reason. If you are mentioning your aspirant of NEET or UPSC or IIT, then based on the scholarship alerts will be sent to you. Some caste students give the scholarship. I didn't get this question, Preeti. Preeti, I believe like your question is only some caste people get the scholarship, not others. No, this is the biggest myth. As I've told you, like scholarships are there for every caste, every religion, every category. And other than academics, like scholarships are available for sports, cultural activities, then your hostel, traveling, for books, for gadgets, for scholarships are available for everything. That is what the global scholarship team is doing all about. Uh, Regarding this TOEFL necessary for the people who have completed masters in English literature for the further education at the other university in USA or other countries. Definitely, the scholarship providers will set the criterias because they are the providers. So if you are matching up with their criterias, then definitely you can avail that. But as a platform, what we are doing is like we are making sure that we are going to fetch those piece of information which are going to match up your requirement and which will be sent to you guys only. Ma'am, is any scholarship for 12th pass out student who is preparing for? Yeah, I have already answered your question, Mr. Ram Jata. The scholarships are there for aspirants of NEET and IIT also. Any other questions? Any other unique questions? Guys, if you have any questions, please quickly ask the questions. So I would like to end this session after answering a few more questions. So if you guys have any questions, please ask your questions in a chat box so that quickly I can answer. Or else, we have given you the registration link as well as the phone numbers are there. Like you can call on those phone numbers anytime. No. We are happy to answer your queries. Like if you have any doubts, you can ask the doubts over the call also. Yes, Godavari, like you have any question? Guys, let me know if you have any questions, or else I'll wind up the session. The global scholarship team so far has no, through our portal, like most of the beneficiaries are there who are getting more benefits about about the scholarship alerts, who are a very happy customer of our portal. So we have introduced this socio entrepreneur site or a platform to so that student can get more benefits about the scholarships which they are absolutely not aware about. They think that everyone thinks that the scholarships are not available for everyone, whereas this platform is making sure that the scholarships are available for everyone, and those alerts will be sent to you. I have next question, like what is the maximum number of scholarship that we can avail? As you said, we receive 3 or 4 alerts from your portal. So will we get from all 4 or we eligible for them? Mr. Regal Patel, correct. I would like to correct you first thing. One thing is like 3 to 5 scholarship alerts are, everyone knows generally. Whereas as the global scholarship team, we are making sure that in an year we are going to send you 50 scholarship alerts, whereas that might be on an average 3 to 5 scholarship alerts in a month. That is, if you can calculate it into 12 months, then you can get, as I mentioned already, it is going to be 36 to 60 scholarship alerts as the global scholarship team is sending. Then definitely if you are applying for all, you can get benefit of all also. As I've already told you, criteria has been set by the scholarship provider. There are some scholarships which are applicable only for the first 100 applicants. So if that is the case, then you should be among those first 100 applicant. So but as a team, what we are doing is we are making sure that we are sending you the alerts at the first time. I mean, at the very early time of the scholarship alerts, we are going to notify you that you can get benefit about all the scholarship, no doubt in that. Ma'am, where are you from? Because how to believe we will be paid money? Oh, guys, like we are a registered company. You can Google out my company and you can come down. You can visit over here also. Preeti Avti depend for percentages. Preeti, as I've told you, scholarships are available not only on academic, that is percentage wise. Scholarships are available based on academics, that's your percentage, income, your parent, whether he or she is a government employee or not, and what is your previous percentages, what are your other curricular activities, and what are your area of interest, like what aspirants you are. So based on all the scholarships are available. Scholarships are available for sports, the scholarships are available for traveling, hostel. So scholarships are available for varied things. We are making sure that if Preeti has updated her profile properly, based on that we are going to match up the scholarships, and we are going to notify you only those things which are going to, which Preeti can get a benefit about it. It's not like we are forwarding scholarships to Preeti anything. There are, for example, I would like to take an example, like there are some scholarships which are applicable only to Muslims. So if I'm sending that to Preeti, it's not applicable to her at all. If Preeti is applying for that, definitely she cannot get the benefits about the scholarship at all. Whereas we are making sure that we are going to send the scholarship alerts to you which are going to match up your profile. Then if you apply, then you can get the benefits definitely. Ma'am, registration fees, Simran Nadaf, it's 499 per year. For the entire year we will be charging 499. Hi ma'am, scholarship is dependent on a percentage wise or what? Ma'am, I have answered your questions, whereas Preeti has asked this question. uh, Joseph has asked, like, if we get, let us say, I get 3 to 4 scholarships, we can use all these 3 or 4 scholarship or for one particular course. Definitely, what course you have updated, based on that you will get a scholarship, and you can obviously get benefits about, you can apply. See, it is very simple. If you are studying PUC, you have to update you in your profile that you are studying PUC, and the scholarships are which are going to match up to the PUC students. Only those alerts you will get, and you can apply for only those, and you can get benefits about only those. Any other questions? I'll take up next 2 questions. After that, I'll wind up the session. I'll take up next 2 questions. For a year, for one course, how many scholarships we can apply? N number. As many cutie girl question it is, like you can apply N number of scholarship as a. We are sending you more than 36 to 50 scholarship alerts in the entire year, and you can apply for all, and you will get benefit about more. Thanks for the great information. You're most welcome, Mr. Joseph. Any other questions? Last 2 minutes at 5:05. I'm going to end the session. If you guys have any questions, please ask. Or the phone numbers are already given in the chat box. You can get, and the registration link process very simple. It is, you need to just give your name, and no, Aadhaar number is optional again. Like, you can submit and you can do the payments through online portal. You're most welcome, Regal. It's a very simple and quick registration process where you can register yourself quickly, and you can get more number of benefits every month for all the courses. We have scholarship alerts. Thank you so much for clarifying our doubts. You're most welcome. Another last 1 minute at 5:05 sharp. I'm going to end the session. If you have any questions, you can ask. uh, you guys can click on the link, and you can register yourself, and share this information to your friends, family. Thank you for such an opportunity for the students. Thank you so much. Any deadline for registration? No, there is no deadline for registration at all. You can register if you register on a portal this month. You, whatever the links are available on this month, which are active this month, those alerts will be sent to you. If you register next month, then you will get you will miss this month alerts, and you can get benefits about the next month also. What time can I call on these numbers? Between 10 to 6. uh, in the WhatsApp group, we made sure that we have sent you the PPT, like how to register. Very simple steps are there, and you can update your profile over there. So there are very simple process which has been already forwarded in your WhatsApp groups. Please go through it and share it as much as possible. get more number of benefits through this platform, I suggest you all to go for this platform where we are going to spend this 500 bucks somewhere else. But whereas if you are registering here by paying this 500 bucks, and that is also we are making sure that which WhatsApp group. Okay, Mr. Joseph, you can drop your number here. My team will connect to you, or else the number is been given over there so that you can connect to this number. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for sparing your time. No, like we are a very professionals. Aripa A, like we are very professionals. Okay, we are working for a good cause, and there is no panganama and all those things over here. We have more than two universities who have registered on a portal. There are more than 12 institutions who have signed up with us. There are more number of 25,000 students who are registered on a portal who are getting more benefits. If we are that, then this was not the output Mr. Aripa A. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you so much for the time. I would like to end the session. The phone numbers have been given. If you have any thing to ask or discuss or more clarification is required, then you can call or ping on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.